I'm Dr. Laura Hart. I'm a gastroenterologist. This means I specialize in the digestive tract. Do you have any questions?
Doctor, people say that we are what we eat. Is that true?
It's kind of true. When you eat food, your digestive system breaks it down into tiny parts known as nutrients. Vitamins, minerals, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates are all types of nutrients. Once your digestive system breaks them down into small enough parts, they go from the digestive tract, also called your gut, to your blood, where your body can use them to build or repair muscle, bone, skin, and every other part of you.
Okay, that's cool.
On top of that, you get energy from some of those nutrients, which your body can use right away to walk, run, dance, talk, even keep your heart beating and your lungs breathing. And if you don't use the energy right away, your body can store it for later.
Wait, but how does the body store energy?
It stores it in your liver and for the longer term in your fat cells. That way you still have energy even if you haven't eaten recently.
What does the digestive system look like?
It is one long winding tube that starts at your mouth, transforms into the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine and large intestine, and ends at your bum where the waste comes out as poop. Your stomach and intestines do most of the work breaking down food and using its nutrients, but there are all sorts of other organs and processes involved.
How does it break down food?
It begins with your mouth, where your teeth tear and crush food into smaller parts, and your saliva moistens it until it's small and smooth enough to be swallowed. When you swallow, a long tube called the esophagus pushes food down into your stomach by contracting and relaxing in a wave-like pattern called peristalsis.
What happens to food in the stomach?
Here, super strong acid and a special type of protein called enzymes help break down the food even more. And your strong stomach muscles squeeze and crush the food even though you don't feel this happening. At this point, the food looks like a gross smoothie. We call it chyme, and it continues the journey by moving into the small intestine.
So, how long does it take to finish?
In healthy kids, it usually takes a day from when you swallow food to when you poop out the waste, but it could take as long as 3 days.
3 days?
Yes, food spends about 2 to 5 hours in your stomach. Then it spends another 2 to 6 hours in the small intestine, which releases more enzymes to finish breaking down the food. Throughout the small intestine, nutrients move from the gut into the blood. Since a lot of liquid is left over, the large intestine's job is to finish absorbing the water, which your body uses, and pees out the excess. There are also many good bacteria here, and they help digest any remaining food. It takes 10 hours to 2 days to go through your large intestine, also known as your colon. Anything left over in your colon, after your body takes it, needs to leave your body as poop.
How can I keep my digestive tract healthy?
If you eat nutritious foods, then this will give you a good chance for better overall health. To keep your digestive tract working well, make sure you exercise, drink water, and eat plenty of healthy foods like fruit, veggies, whole grains, beans, fish, and lean meat such as chicken.
What about if we eat junk food?
Sugary and fried foods aren't very nutritious, so it's better not to eat too many of these. Well, that's all the time we have for today, kids.
Thanks, Dr. Hart!
Your parents can learn more by visiting badgut.org, and they can donate to the Gastrointestinal Society if they wish.